How to fix sorry you have been blocked from any website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if you have been blocked from any website. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Google Chrome and make sure that you are logged into your account. And the very first thing that you are going to do is check your extensions. So go ahead and click on this extension tab. If you don't see this here, tap on the three dots and from here head over to extensions and manage extension. So if you have any conflicting extensions, make sure to disable all of these first and slowly enable them one by one and see which one is causing trouble. And then once you find that extension that's causing trouble, then you can just remove it or you can just replace it with another one. This is the first method. Now, after doing this, your problem should be probably fixed, but in case it does not fix, then you'll have to head over to your settings first, and here you are gonna clear some cache. So in this case, you are just gonna head over to privacy and security, and from here you can delete your browsing data. Make sure that you select this to last 24 hours or last 7 days, and make sure to check all of these boxes. Head over to advanced and you can do check all of these boxes here as well, and then click on delete data. Then just restart your Chrome once like this. Go ahead and open it up again, and your blocked websites should be opened. And in case this does not work, then you'll have to check if your Chrome is up to date. So head over to settings and tap on about Chrome. It will check for updates, and if your Chrome is up to date, then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.